Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's the world, and it's showing something that Jesus said, and it's a little circle at the back, and in the window it says, and surely, this is what Jesus said, and surely I am with you always to the end of the age. And this is how we make it. I'll bring this one over here, and this is how I've done it. I've cut out this circle, and then with something I've done it with these scissors, just made a hole in where the dot is, and cut this one out and done the same here where the dot is, made a hole. Now this little window, I've lunged the scissors in the top here. I've started cutting it out, and then I can go around the edge and the bottom and then cut it out. I've left the black line showing so that it gives it a little frame for the Bible verse from Matthew. Okay, so, ooh, yes. Now I've made one of these. It's a little split pin out of just recycling plastic to go in the centre. This is what it looks like. I've just done a piece on card just to show you how to make it. It's just like that. So I've got me a little bit of plastic. Cut it thin, otherwise you have to make a really big hole. And okay, so that goes in the centre there. Through there. And then this one goes through the centre here. And push that through. So that the shoulders go flat. They're a bit fiddly, but there. Push those two like that. Okay, and then you've got that lovely verse in here, Jesus saying, I'm with you always to the end of the age. I'm sure you've had fun making that and swirling the piece of scripture you're supposed to learn round. Make sure you learn it. God bless, and see you next time.